Hi everyone, welcome to Student the Brand. Today I'm going to teach you 5 important methods to remember concave image position and convex lens, concave mirror image position and convex lens image position. If you know concave, automatically you will get to know the convex also. Just 5 methods, same concept will be teaching in different way in 5 methods. No need of board, no need of anything, just we'll use the methods too easy to understand, too easy to recollect. In exams these are very very important, so most of the questions will come based on these topics students are facing, especially children are facing, to remember, to recall, to identify these positions. For that I'm giving the 5 methods, 5 tips, 5 important techniques. Let's get start. First method is fingertip method. So if you take this thumb position, is this thumb is infinity, this little finger is focus, this center finger is center of curvature. So once again, thumb is, thumb is at infinity, little finger is at focus, center finger is at center of curvature. Now object you placed at infinity, image is forming at focus. In concave mirror, even in convex lens also, if you place the object, image will form at focus. Nature, real, inverted and diminished, that is nothing but highly diminished point size image will form if object at infinity. Second position, if you place, I said this is the center of curvature, so object is placed beyond center of curvature, image will form between center of curvature and focus, that is nothing but this is the position. Object beyond center of curvature, image will form between center of curvature and focus, means this position. The next position is, if you place the object at center of curvature, image will form at center of curvature on. In concave mirror, even in convex lens, if you place at C1, image will form at C2. So here, what type of image will form if you place the object beyond center of curvature? Image will be real, inverted and diminished. If you place a center of curvature, image also will form at center of curvature. What is the nature of the image? Real, inverted and same sized, because at center of curvature same size of image will form. So next, if you place the object between center of curvature and focus, image will form at beyond center of curvature. Nature is, what is the nature of the image? Real, inverted and enlarged. Even in concave mirror and convex lens also. But here every time we are saying F1 and C1 one side, another side is F2, C2. Suppose if you take this mirror position is infinity, focus and center of curvature. It is you take infinity, so center of curvature. Okay. Then according to the positions will change. This is F1 you can consider. There F2, C2 will be considered. So understood this? Yes. So now you see, you placed object between center curvature and focus, that is here position, image will form beyond center curvature. So what is the nature of the image? Real, inverted and enlarged. Next, if you place the object at focus, image will form at infinity. So by this you can learn in easy way. That is method number 1. Method number 2, head method. What is head method? Consider, it's very silly, but so for remembering sake, for easy to understand, at the same time it's like a funny. So this ear you can consider as a right ear, you can consider as a, even you can take left also, it's fine. So right ear you can consider as a infinity, position of the right eye infinity. Then nose is at center of curvature, and the left eye you can consider as at focus. Now you can see, object at infinity, image will form at focus, right? And object between beyond center, like right eye you can consider. Object beyond center of curvature means this center of curvature no beyond center of curvature, between infinity, beyond center of curvature and between infinity, beyond center of curvature. So image will form left eye between focus and center of curvature. So nature already we discussed. If you place object at center of curvature, image will form at center of curvature only. Next, if you place object between center of curvature and focus, image will form beyond center of curvature. Next, if you place object at focus, image will form at infinity. So just like that. So simple technique. Next one, clock method. So what is the clock method? So this is the clock method I am considering. So this is the 12, this is 6. So you can consider object at infinity. So like infinity, focus, center curvature. Infinity, focus, center curvature. Object at infinity, image will form at focus, right? Object at infinity, image will form at focus. Object beyond center curvature, image will form between center curvature and focus. Object at center curvature, image will form at center curvature only. Object between center curvature and focus, image will form beyond center curvature. Object at focus, image will form at infinity. So by this we can understand easily. So this is the simple technique. So where we can remember. Next one, elbow method. Elbow method. So you can see either left hand, I already said. So for head method how you did, same thing for elbow method also you can follow. So this palm consider in infinity, this shoulder you can consider this focus, this middle point you can consider as the center curvature. So now you can see object at infinity, image will form at focus. Object at infinity, image will form at focus, right? Object between center curvature means beyond center curvature, this center curvature, beyond center curvature, image will form between center curvature and focus. Object at center curvature, image will form at center curvature only. Object between center curvature and focus, image will form beyond center curvature. Then object at focus, image will form at infinity, right? So this is about elbow method. Then so two hands method also. Two hands also you can use. So you can take right hand. So just right hand every time we are using. So that is your comfortable. You can go for a left hand also. So object at infinity, image will form at focus. So this is, what is this one? Infinity. What is this one? Focus. This head you can consider center curvature. So it's funny, simple funny things, but it's very effective method to remember the positions. So object position and image position for concave mirror and convex lens also, right? Then so here object, that is nothing but infinity, here focus, right hand is infinity, left hand is at focus, head is center curvature. Object at infinity, image will form at focus. Object beyond center curvature, beyond center curvature means now you have to consider this elbow is center beyond center curvature, image will form at between center curvature and focus. Object at center curvature, image will form at center curvature only one hand, right? Next, object between center curvature and focus, if you place here, image will form beyond center curvature. Object at focus, image will form at infinity. Yes or no? So these are the methods. So very simple methods, easy methods, simple techniques, funny way also, we can remember easily, right? So I hope these methods are useful to you to remember concave mirror image positions and convex lens image positions. So last 6 case for both the concave and convex is special case, very important. So even in the problems also will come for 10th class and even for 11th and 12th. So that is for IEIT, JEE, NEET level also. So these questions, sign conventions are very important. So just the positions of the object and image also very important. These are effective methods to remember the concepts. I hope these methods are helpful to you. So if you like it, if you like the methods, like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for this type of techniques. So I designed a shirt also. I will explain in the next video. So like shirt, physics shirt. I designed physics shirt also. I'll explain in the next video. I'll make you one video about physics shirt, advantages, disadvantages, how this will be helpful, so how it will be useful. So everything I will explain. Sure. So you can go through my channel for more number of small techniques, tips, methods to remember the concepts in easy way and funny way and joyful way. Thank you so much. It was Steve. Thank you.